Dry and volumize your hair in one step. Max drying power with 30% less frizz and helps reduce hair damage. Unique non-detachable oval brush design for smoothing the hair, while the round edges create volume. Designed with nylon pin and tufted bristles for detangling, improved volume, and control. 3 heat, speed settings with cool option for styling flexibility. Safety first, the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer meets US safety requirements and features the ETL certification. Unit is designed for 120.
Buy now for $41.99. Bye bye. See you soon.